Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. What's up? Clearly you guys have seen the thumbnail, you've read the title. You guys know we have our hair day segment on this channel, and today is the day. So today I'm going to be doing some box braids. They are split down the middle, coloured box braids. So on this side, as you can see, I have black. This side is blonde. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching till the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away.
Where they make you feel alright, and I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, for my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mind and being light in the big night. Can you open up the doors and let me in? Can you open up the doors and let me in? You good with the heart inside, on top my head. As I sing the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no doubt. This is the truth with no faults. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no pain. This is a place with no shame. If you thought I'd be distracted, baby boy, I'm gonna distract you now. If you couldn't be reminded, baby girl, I'm gonna remind you now. Tell me what you need to find out. 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 It's been burning on my mind. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. My wise man said, follow the star, yeah, you shall find it. Be so bad vibes. If you hate your enemies try. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. But you can never kill my vibe. Got there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, love is somebody done. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say, I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my everything, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, find jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I play your condo lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movement. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look on your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Vibe killer, love is somebody can protect my energy from your bad aura. Let my past don't say, I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my everything, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, find jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your condo lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was there.
I haven't done box braids in so long, like so long. The partings are decent, but they do look a bit different to what I usually do, only because I usually split my hair down like ear by ear, and then I work on the back section and the front section. This time I did try to do the like all the way around method. Yeah, I don't really like that method. Like, I like it, but I don't know. I didn't have the best time with that method. Let me know in the comments what you guys prefer. Do you like to do the method that I did today, like the wraparound, or do you like to just split it down the middle, like halfway middle, not this way middle? I think that's what threw me off as well. Splitting it halfway down the middle this way and then having to do the rows. I think that's where it got me. But anyways, we still got the final look looking cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Join our family. Check out my channel for more videos. I do loads of stuff on this channel. I do hair videos, makeup sometimes, clothing hauls, vlogs, self-development videos. I'm here, okay? I'm an open book. And we've got loads of stuff on this channel, so make sure you subscribe for more to come. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.